Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm working on softening my natural hair because that's one of the ways I want to retain more length when I don't have to struggle with any knots, tangles, to help not only keep my hair healthy but get it soft to the touch and keep it hydrated and just have fluffy hair overall. One of the best ingredients I found, guys, that I've used in my natural hair care is the Fenugreek Seed. So today I wanted to show you guys how to make this natural hair hydrating and hair softening sweet moisturizing spray. So you're going to need just a few simple ingredients, guys. I'm going to use 1 cup of aloe vera juice and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and we're going to add both of them to a bowl that has a tight closed lid, and I'm going to leave that for 48 hours so the seeds can soak in the aloe juice. Now once that time is up, guys, you're going to see the aloe vera juice has changed into more of a apple juice looking color, and you're going to strain the seeds from the water. And after you strain the water, one of the cool things you're going to notice is that there's a gel-like substance that forms around the seeds. You're going to need that gel as well. That's part of what's going to make your hair so soft, so smooth. What I do is I strain the gel from the seeds little by little so I can add them as well to the aloe vera juice. Now, a few things to know about the fenugreek seed is that it helps to enhance hair growth and regrowth. It preserves your natural hair color as well as treat dandruffs and decrease thinning hair. It stops hair fall, and of course it helps to soften the hair and leave plenty of luster and shine after you use it in your hair. Now after you strain the juice and the gel from the fenugreek seed, what you're going to do, guys, is add 10 drops of rosemary, tea tree, and peppermint essential oils. So those can help not only stimulate hair growth, keep your scalp healthy, but also preserve your spray. Now I use this spray whenever I need to moisturize my hair. Now if you guys can see, this is a cup of aloe vera juice, and I use this for me and my sister. It usually lasts about 2 weeks, and you don't have to put it in the fridge or anything. I find that I just leave it in the shelf in my room. Nothing happens to it and it lasts, and then you make a new batch. So guys, make as much or as little as your hair needs, depending on your hair thickness and length. This is a great way, guys, to make a herbal spray without making the heavy herbal spray that you guys see on my channel. Still gives you great benefit, but you don't have to use as much herbs and oils to add to it, and you will still get a healthy hair spray that moisturize your hair and help you grow healthy long hair, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the little notification button so you'll know when I have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Leave all of your comments down below, and of course go over, guys, and watch my last video.